Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert a signature to your email using Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Outlook on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. The desktop application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, click on Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you are signed into the account. So let's now click on New Email. Let's compile the email. Before we do that, let's just send this to myself. So a subject, signature. Let's now compile an email. Thank you for your email, kind regards. Now let's go to the top navigation menu, click on signature. We can add a standard signature, but as you can see on screen, it was just a couple of dashes or underscores. Edit the signatures. Let's now add a new signature. Admin. Let's just give a number to myself. Website, signature name, Command S to save, go back one. Now we can quit signatures, click on signatures, use admin as the signature, and that itself is the signature for the email. Now let's click on send. This has now been sent to the main email. If we go to sent, so we can now quit Outlook. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Safari, go to office.com, go to Outlook, and there you go. That's the email that was sent from the admin account to the main account. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.